Hey, what's up guys? Michael here with WarpDriveM. Welcome to a new episode. In today's episode we are going to start that freaking A4. Yeah, I know I've started the constructions. Yeah, I have a lot of work to do, but I want to start the A4 in this episode. Yeah, in a few minutes the boys that are working in here are coming and are going to do their job. Yeah, and we are going to start the A4. And I'm going to say that because I received the new injectors and the old one were completely clogged. Yeah, all four of them were completely clogged. So I'm pretty sure, like I've said, that was our reason for not starting the car. So anyway, before we are going to drive in there, the car is parked somewhere on my friend's backyard, somewhere in there. Yeah, and if you missed the last episode, I'm gonna put a link in here or here. Yeah, in order to see what I've worked on the car. Yeah, and let me show you what we are working now in here. Yeah, this was the only part of the house that wasn't repaired and painted. Yeah, now it's completely repaired. Yeah, you can clearly see it's completely repaired. We just have to paint this part. And in here on where I work on the cars, we've already started the work. Yeah, see that? In fact, let me turn the camera to show you. Yeah, we have the metal supports everywhere for the legs of the structures. I'm not sure how are called, the wooden structure. Yeah, and to be honest, I'm not quite happy how this will end up, but this is the only way I'm allowed to do that. Yeah, because here is a house between the other houses. Yeah, this is a community. I'm not allowed to have a shop. Yeah, a workshop. I'm allowed to have one garage or two garage, and I'm allowed to do all the repairs that I'm going to do at home, but not allowed to have a shop. So that's why it's a little bit complicated with the documents, with the dimension of everything. Yeah, but I just want to explain you quick, and after that we are going to start the A4. So I have to leave 40 centimeters from this neighbor wall where the first legs are, because I have to have this space in order to put the back panels. Yeah, and the roof should have the distance between the wall, the neighbor's wall, and my roof about 10-15 centimeters. Yeah, and I will have enough in here. And on this side you will see those legs, but these legs are in there just because we have to cover from here through here until this concrete. Yeah, side. So we are going to cover this side as well. That's why I will have these legs in here. Yeah, that's how the measurement said. We have to have support here. Yeah, we cannot put one beam from here till here. Maybe we can, but we have to do a lot something else, and the bigger wood, and yeah. Anyway, so we are going to start from here. Yeah, this part as well, this old part will go, and this will be inside till here. Yeah, this part between the legs, yeah, we are going to work on car, and from here till here will be our tools and everything. Yeah, and yeah, pretty much that's about it. And now let's drive in there to start the A4. Woohoo! It's working, boys. Check this out. We have the new injectors in here, and the car started. The car freaking started. Jawohl. Nice. It's gonna smoke maybe a little bit. Nice. I've just coated the injectors. Now it's gonna run a little bit rough because maybe the system is not completely bleed. We don't have any freaking error on the dash. Nothing. Yes. Nice. Oh yeah, now you can see how many kilometers it has. 233,000 kilometers. Nice. First drive is running a little bit rough. I'm going to check the codes now. I'm not sure why. I hope I've done the injectors right, yeah, because you have the code on the injector, and it's running a little bit rough. I hope there is no metal in the lines and it's going to clog the new injector. I hope. Yeah, I really hope. So we are in the car. We are going to move the car. It's smoking a lot, yeah, because there is diesel everywhere. But I still feel a rumbling, yeah, into the, yeah, it's not running. We have here, as you, yeah, see that? Sometimes it's making a little, yeah, check this out. I'm going to check with the scanner now to see, and we have the airbag light. Strange. Okay, I'm going to do more research and I'm going to leave the car running for a bit and I'm going to give you an update. And this is the first drive with the Audi after the repairs. Yeah, I'm in another car. I've tested everything, I've checked everything, and now Kiki is driving and I said go full throttle, yeah. We have to see if the injectors will clog or not. I don't see any smoke, that's why I'm behind to see if the car will smoke or something like that, yeah. And because Kiki doesn't know anything about cars, that's why I wanted Kiki to drive the car to see if can drive the car normally without any problem. But for now I don't see any kind of smoke, nothing, so the car drives quite normal, yeah. I'm gonna update you if something will happen or not. I think it's repaired, yeah, I think it's done, and I'm quite happy if it's repaired. Haha. Yep. Oh yeah, I took this car from a friend because I started the construction and I need something to carry with. Yeah, I'm gonna take the back seat out. Yeah, that's why you see me driving in this car. Oh my god, Kiki's giving some real gas, yeah? Just a second to show you. See that? And now comes the fun part, yeah? We are driving now on a street there where we have traffic. I hope it won't break in here because I don't have any kind of tools with me. Holy crap! Check this out. It's freaking snowing. Apparently I get to use my 3M winter shoes for the first time. Yeah. Nice. Holy crap. It's really snowing, yeah. I'm almost home. Yeah, I had to park my car somewhere else because I have another two cars in my front yard, and in there we have the material for the construction, yeah. Whoa, it's really snowing. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, check this out. Oh my freaking god. The back of the house is completely painted. I'm not sure if it's going to hold with this sweater, yeah, because it's passed just a few hours since I left. Oh yeah, check this out. Yeah, it washed the paint in there. And here I see something, yeah. Anyway, we are going to do that again. Oh, the materials are here. Oh my god. What is in here? Yeah. Whew. Oh yeah, the roof is there. Okay, the roof. These ones, the big wood. I'm not sure what exactly is here, but the boys for sure know what is in here. Now I'm going to give you a small update on what we're working, and I'm gonna close this video here. The A4 is to my friend. He is going to drive the car for a few days to test if everything works, and I might say that the car is already sold. Yeah, I have somebody that wants the car. Yeah, and I'm gonna give you update if it's sold in the next episode. And in here we have the wood on the wall for the roof here. And let me show you something very nice. At first I thought it's not that big, my garage, but check this out. Check this freaking out. Oh, just a second to turn the camera and I'm gonna show you. So we have almost a complete garage and it's huge. Yeah. See that? In there, the old roof is gone. Yeah, it's really huge. Whoops. Yeah. And we already have the plates for the roof up in there, and today we are going to finish everything. We have to cut that old metal things for the old roof. Yeah. And now I can put one car in here, another one in here, and a smaller one in here. That's crazy, yeah? 3 cars garage. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yep. Yeah, we have to cut everything at that line. Nice. So yeah, anyway, with this I'm going to close this episode. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.